I've been thinking a lot about failure lately, about how some people fall once and never recover, while others rise again and somehow become even stronger. And I realized it's not about luck. It's not about having the right people around you, and it's definitely not about money. It's about one simple thing: character. How you react when life stops playing fair. I've been there too. I've had moments when everything I was building just collapsed in front of me. You sit there in silence, staring at the wall, wondering if it's all worth it. There's this deep emptiness inside you, and it feels like you've lost not just your dreams, but a part of yourself. And then comes that strange moment of quiet. It's not peace. It's more like the world has paused for a second. And in that stillness, you hear something. Not a loud motivational voice, not some dramatic get-up speech, just a quiet whisper from within. Stand up. One more time. That's where real strength begins, not in the noise, but in silence. I remember working with my mother in Turkey years ago. It was hard. Long days, little money, constant exhaustion. But we didn't stop. We just kept going. And that experience taught me something powerful. Failure is not the enemy. Failure is the teacher. When you fall, life isn't trying to humiliate you, it's showing you where you're still weak, where you need to grow. It's testing your limits, not to break you, but to rebuild you stronger. Pain, loss, loneliness, they're not punishments, they're training. You can't become unbreakable without breaking a few times first. Everyone talks about success, about winning, about never giving up. But no one talks about the part where you actually fall apart, where you cry at night, where your confidence disappears, where you feel like a complete failure. Yet that's the most important part of the story, the part that shapes you. The people I admire the most are not the ones who never fall. They're the ones who fell hard, hit rock bottom, and still found a way to climb back up, piece by piece, quietly, without anyone noticing. That's real power. I learned a small life hack through all this. When you don't know what to do, just move. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for the right time. Just keep moving, because movement heals. When you're walking through the dark, it's okay if you don't see the end of the tunnel. Just keep walking. I remember working on videos late at night, sometimes all night, and waking up realizing no one even noticed my effort. No views, no comments. It hurts. But I kept going, not because I was sure of success, but because the process itself made me feel alive. Each step forward, no matter how small, mattered. We live in a world obsessed with success, but the truth is, success means nothing without resilience. The world doesn't belong to the smartest or the richest. It belongs to the ones who refuse to quit, the ones who take the hits and still move forward. So if you're watching this and you feel like you've lost everything, don't. You're just at the beginning. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's the path to it. I've been at rock bottom more than once, and every time I got back up, I realized something new about myself. Every scar, every mistake, every sleepless night, they were all part of the preparation. You might not see it now, but all this pain is shaping you into someone unstoppable. And that's what being unbreakable really means. It's not about being perfect. It's about standing tall after the storm, looking at your reflection and saying, I made it. I'm still here. The world tried to crush you, but you didn't fold. You learned, you adapted, you grew. And maybe, just maybe, that's what life was trying to teach you all along. That strength isn't given, it's earned. So next time life knocks you down, don't ask, why me? Ask, what's this trying to teach me? Because one day you'll look back and realize every failure was just a chapter in the story of how you became unbreakable.